So this is about first one, group 17. State the trend in the relative strength of van der Waals forces down group 17 to fluorine. Who's got the most van der Waals forces?
Iodine.
Okay. Bigger molecules, remember, have more van der Waals forces. Or what was van der Waals? Okay, if you have two fluorine molecules, they will not have a dipole, but the electrons are going to fluctuate. The electron density might shift to the right side. So this side will become slight negative, this side will become slight positive. Or maybe the other opposite might happen. It'll be a yoga. The dipoles will be fluctuating. There'll be temporary dipole induced dipoles. This side might become slight negative, and this side will become slight positive, and they will start attracting each other. And the dipoles can switch at any point. As I state, the physical state of each of the halogens under room conditions. So, okay, what's chlorine? What's the color of chlorine and what's the state?
Green and state is gas.
Bromine, yeah, that's
State is liquid or brown color.
okay. Or last year, that's
Solid and black.
okay, blue black. As a solution of aqueous bromide ions is added to separate samples of Cl2 and iodine, describe what is observed in each reaction. Explain your. So will Cl2 displace Br minus 1? Is it more reactive or less reactive? What happens to the reactivity down the group?
Decreases. So Cl will replace bromide ion.
Because Cl core, the electrons lose, it will get oxidized and it will reduce bromide back to Br2. And iodine के साथ, will anything happen?
No.
Okay, so with this, there's not going to be any reaction because it's less reactive. So he did not ask for an equation, he was asking for an observation. So क्या होगा? Greenish yellow gas decolorizes. Red brown liquid formed. And no observation or explanation, but you'll write an equation, right? The more reactive displaces a less reactive. So this was an equation in group 17. If I open the notes, yes, inorganic notes, okay. So group 17, we did this. Okay, when we were doing group 17, I told you that it's mostly memorization. So this proportionation reaction, Cl2 with NaOH, cold NaOH, it's going to form NaCl, NaClO, and H2O. If temperature is greater than 70, it's going to form something else. Thereby, it's going to form Cl2 plus and it's going to form what? NaCl plus NaClO plus H2O. So what's a base? Simple words make a definition. It's a
Proton acceptor.
proton acceptor, right? It's a proton acceptor. He's saying ClO is added to water, it behaves as a base. ClO minus 1. So it behaves as a proton acceptor. So it becomes HClO. And OH ion is going to be produced. TK, uska jo H, it's going to accept it.